Today we are at this beautiful house and we are cleaning the carpets before the new family moves in. We are going to use our state-of-art equipment to remove dirt, allergens, odors, leaving the carpets pristine as we always do. But we don't stop there. Today we are also applying a high-quality carpet fiber protector. This is essential because it creates an invisible shield that's resistant to stains. Also, it extends the life of the carpet. Always a great idea. But when it's a move-in, we can cover 100% of the carpet area. And this extra step alone ensures your carpets stay cleaner for longer and keeps them looking their best. That's our part to make sure they will have a great move with a clean slate. We are Alta Carpet Cleaning, and we serve the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button. That helps a lot. See you next time.